Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Arshad, and in our last video we learned how we can develop interactive grid in Oracle Apex, and in today's lecture we will learn how we can use a faceted search report in Oracle Apex. Basically, as name suggests, this report is used to search records with report. So let's start. Open your browser and go to your Apex and provide your password. App builder, select your application. I'm using CodeCamp Learning, and create new page, report, and then we have faceted search. Name of the page is faceted search. Next, and we need to create a navigation menu entry. Then we need to provide a table, departments, and here we have two types of faceted search: display as a report or display as cards. If we select display as report, your search result will be shown like our interactive report as shown in here. And if I select cards, then result of our search will be shown in a cards. Refresh and see, let it be refreshed. So it is not showing. Okay, go to display as a report and manager ID, location ID, okay, create and run your page. So here you can see total row count is 28. Here we have department name, manager, and locations. And here we have a reset option, and here we have a search based on location, based on manager. Let's suppose I click on Jennifer. So manager Jennifer has two departments on which he is a manager. Let's suppose I then so it is a manager of purchasing department. Now I select 147, so marketing SCAM, and if I select 2014, it is IT department, and similarly we have lot of options over here. So and we have a public search option over here. Let's suppose I want to search IT department. So all the departments which contains IT will be listed in our search results. Here we have our option to show as a chart. Click on show as a chart. So here we have a chart of our based on location. Here we have another option. If you want to see as a pie chart, click on it. So our results will be shown in a pie chart. So this is all about facet search. Now we want to see its page its page designer. So let me explain it. Here we have in our left pane we have left column which is search, and it is shown over here. This is our search pane. This is our search pane, and in search pane we have p8 underscore search, this text field in which I have written IP, this one. And after that we have location, this is location, and then we have a manager ID, which is here we have manager. Okay, so our search is based on three items. So if I remove this location ID, delete, and manager ID, delete, save, and refresh your page. So here we don't have any other search parameters. So this is a simple search text box on which we can search our departments grid. So you can add multiple search items if you want to search your grid based on multiple columns. So after that we have this is search, and this is our button bar. Button bar is this one, reset. Button bar contains only one button, which is a reset button. And then we have search results. Here we have search results, and this is our central area in which search results are shown. So if we want to change its layout, you can change its layout. Let's drag search and place it over search results. Okay, and save your page, run, and here you can see our search is here, and reset button is on top of search results. If you want to reset button to be at bottom of your search results, you can drag and drop it at the bottom of your search results. Run, and you can see our reset button is at bottom of our search results, and total count is also at bottom of the search results. So this is all about facet search. Basically facet search is a very useful tool when you want to search your table or view based on multiple search parameters. Now we create another page. We can create a page from here. Create page, report, facet search, and here we have facet search, and display it as card. Basically this feature mostly used when you are designing your dashboards. So let's try how we can design it. Table is departments, and here we want to display as cards. We don't need manager and location. We want to search based on only text we place in our search text. So here we have facet search multiple options. We want to show our results in a grid just like this, float just like fill the row and then next move to the next row, or we want to show horizontal. So I am selecting as a grid. Title column is department name, body column icon, and badge column we are not selecting anyone. If you want badge column, uh, uh, let's put manager ID. Okay, create. So run your page. So here you can see we have total row count is 28, and here we have administrator, administration department, shipping, executive, cooperative, manufacturing, IT, and Jennifer is the manager of this one. So if you want more things, you can show more things over here. Click your search results and search, and here we have our select search, and here we have its properties. You can play with properties for your learning purpose. And then we have search results. In search results we have a lot of properties. Go to here, this is the query which is used to fetch records from the database. So that's it for today. Thank you so much.